Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. That's some odd noises, but not sure what that's about yet. I didn't have that, so I plugged the phone in. Could be the source. Yep, my phone's the source of that. Okay. We should actually be live right now. Yeah, this is a head cam, yes. So we're just going to do a short ride, not long. Just to see what we can actually do. All right. Okay. Yeah, we have cops on bikes here, yes. Okay. Now, I'll give you the first part of it. See, I can switch you right now to the head cam, see? Now you're on the head cam for right this minute. I'm getting some static from a loose connection somewhere, though. I'll have to find that. That's for sure. Setup, y'all see what I see, pretty much. Okay, I'm going to temporarily disconnect the all right. Well, I'm sorry. I'm doing the best I can with the sound. Anyway, I'm not sure what the static actually is. I can't seem to find the source. There. It's actually the mic in the back. That's okay, though. Y'all can still hear me, right? Yeah. okay. Yeah, we'll only have that hooked up when we're actually in Fort Lauderdale, so you can hear the people and stuff, you know, Saturday. Okay. Now, I'll switch you to this view. That's the actual bike. We've done that before. Then we have the dual view. This is just to see if it works setup, and it looks like it works. Now, later on in the season, we may go out and ride a little while like this, but for now, I got some other stuff to do. But it does seem to work. Like I said, I can plug in the other mic anytime. I don't have to shut down to do it. That's the one cool thing about the Blue Snowball. It'll reconnect and disconnect at will. So when I'm stationary or something, when I want you to be able to hear the outside audio, I just plug it back in. I think the static you were actually hearing from it wasn't really static, it was overdriving it. Probably need to turn the volume down on it. I'll have to look at the clip for this one. All right, back in we go. It works. That's what matters. This is Hollywood, Florida. What does your part of Florida look like? Most all of Florida down here looks like that. It says that if you come here, you're on live camera, and you know it, and you agree to it.